Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. A little chilly for us out there today compared to the previous two, thanks to the leftover rain showers and the cloud cover that stuck around. It stuck around long enough to avoid us from getting a good warm-up in there. Tried to push towards 50 today, just couldn't quite make it. 46 is where we ended in Lexington. A few spots did in South and Central Kentucky, and areas that didn't hold the cloud cover long, they got over into the 60s in Western Kentucky. But as we roll through the next couple of days, we're going to move away from these cooler temperatures and find ourselves into a couple of nice, warm, spring-like days. Now, we are going to stay colder in the overnights. 37 right now here in Lexington. Most of us in those mid to upper 30s. Some frost expected overnight, as well as some fog as we inch down near freezing for many of us as we roll into tomorrow morning. The clear sky, the calm winds allow things to stay on the colder side of early in the day, but then we roll into the 60-plus mark as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Should be very pleasant for you with plenty of sunshine. We're going to repeat that as we go into our Saturday as well. Even better, try to get you to 64 here in Lexington, mostly sunny and warm before winter fights back a little bit. March starting in like a lion for us as we're going to see temperatures in the mid-40s, dropping into the 30s, and a chance for a wintry mix early Sunday. Another chance for it as we go into our Monday. Now, high pressure is keeping things quiet for us overnight tonight, and that will be keeping everybody in that sunshine both tomorrow and on Saturday. Futurecast doesn't have a lot to show Friday or even most of Saturday. Southerly winds keep things rolling nice and warm, but then the low trudges through town overnight Saturday and into Sunday. This one we could see some spotty rain showers return, and in some instances maybe a bit of a stronger rain shower here or there. No thunder expected with that, and there's going to be an area likely to our north at this point, but can't rule it out, much like today, where some of those northern counties, far northern Kentucky, get a little bit of mix or snow with that passing system. Then the northerly flow takes over. The cloud cover sticks around. Can't really rule out a flurry opportunity for you either, but it will be cold and getting colder. And as we get into our Monday, a different system is taking aim at the area, and this one could bring with it across the region somewhere snow and or sleet and or rain. Right now, it's trying to show up across Kentucky with all three varieties. But again, this is very early to jump on this. This is just an idea at this point, so something we'll keep a close eye on. The opportunity, though, for some wintry weather is on the table because we're going to have a battle between cold and warm. It gives us the 60s the next 2 days, but you see there, knocks us down quite a bit. On the other side of Monday's event, well, things are going to turn much warmer for us, 60s and maybe even some 70s in there. It also means that we're going to see a more active weather pattern start to set up with some periods of maybe moderate to heavy rain down the line, maybe some thunderstorms in the mix again. Plenty to watch as we start to get those spring swings across the 7-day.